So hello everyone, we're the team of Illumismart. So let's first introduce our team member. Thanks to who I'm the programmer in our team, and Dongqing is my programmer partner. It is our first time to develop an entry application. And our specialist, Stella, she focuses on the study of human manufacturing engineering and ergonomics. So this is our today presentation agenda. And let's first talk about our motivations and goal. Lighting is super important in working space. It is not only related to your productivity, but it also has influences on your safety and health. And currently, there's no such application in the market that provides the service of measuring lighting for your working space. Therefore, in order to fill the market blank and address all of the issues here, we decide to work on this application. And the goal of our app is to help people to measure and evaluate their working space lighting conditions and also propose lighting advice to the users accordingly. So now let's Stella make a demo to our application.
So before I start the app, let's imagine that I am an office worker who started working from home recently due to the social distance. After several weeks, I found myself experiencing eye discomfort during work. In addition to regular eye relaxation, my colleagues suggested me to download the app Illumismart to check if there are any problems with my lighting arrangements at the workstation at home. So now this is what it has. When I first opened the app, I can optionally provide my occupation and age information as they will be used to generate better recommendations about my workplace lighting. After that, I'm taken to the homepage where 4 major functions are displayed. Through the bottom navigation bar, I can access the 3 other destinations. There's a data page, which I don't know what it does yet, and a lighting info page where there's a lot of articles about lighting ergonomics I could have a look at. The last one is the setting page where I can change my occupation and age info. Now let's go back to the homepage and have a look at those 4 major functions. The first function is the self-assessment. It can evaluate the lighting condition of my workplace by answering a few questions. It is a key feature that could identify many cause-specific issues that are not easily addressed by light measurement and detection. I'll quickly go through it. Yes, I work in the office. I have signs of eye strain. And then it lists several causes of eye discomfort. Let's continue. So yes, I have windows. Yes, I have curtains. I have a computer, and the computer is faced to a window. It seems like facing my monitor to the window will have potential risk of reflective glare. No wonder sometimes I feel it difficult to see the contents on the screen, even if I have set the screen brightness to the maximum value. It also suggests me to conduct the glare test later. And there are many other questions that address other aspects of lighting ergonomics problems, such as paper documents, vision transitions, light bulb replacement, and lighting feature maintenance. Through this assignment, I have learned many problems about my workstation lighting and corresponding recommendations. After I finish the assessment, I can save the result to review them later. The next function is the light level measurement. It is a quick tool to check whether my working area is too bright or too dark. The instructions said I need to face the light sensor up and move the phone horizontally and slowly around the working area. And there's additional information about light level I can read about. Let's try this function. So I'll push the start and move the phone. And then after some while, I will push the pause. It seems the light is not sufficient for my work type. I can view more details about the conclusion and read the suggestion of correcting insufficient light. Okay, great. Let's save the result and move to the next function. The flicker detection is a quick tool to check whether there are rapid or quick repetitive change in the brightness of a light over time. Severe flicker will do harm to human eyes. According to the instruction, I need to face the light sensor directly to the light source and wait for 10 seconds. Let's try this function. So I'm starting the detection. And after 10 seconds, the result will be displayed. So it said there's no flicker event detected, so I don't need to worry about it. The last function is the glare detection. Glare is what happens when a bright light source or reflection interferes with my vision. it can cause discomfort and reduce visibility. To use this function, I need to face the camera to the working visual area as if it is my eyes. As you can see, the reflection on my laptop is pretty bright and is marked as glare. I should follow the instructions of correcting glare to deal with it. Last, let's go back to the data page. Now I can see the results from my previous assessment and detections. For example, for the assessment, the issues identified are listed. I can review the advice at any time. Those are the core functionalities of the Illumismart. I hope you enjoyed. Next, Josu will introduce the technical structure of the app.
Okay, thank you, Stella. So this is the diagram that explains our app structure from a pre-level view. As you can see from the middle part here, the icons here are representing each feature in our applications. Specifically, the light measurement and the figure detection functionality are required to use light sensor to capture the illuminance input from outside environment. Also, the glare detection tool also requires the back camera to capture the live image frames. We also indicate the output of each features in the diagram, and all the results here are able to save into our internal storage. User could view all of the historical data at any time. So now let me pass to Dongqing to talk about our future works and key learnings.
So here are the 4 additional features that we will implement if work was to continue. The first one is a sharing feature, which allows users to export and share result data to other people. In addition, a reminder feature will perfect our app by reminding users to regularly conduct an assessment to check their lighting conditions. A community forum is also a good function, where users can share their lighting experience to each other. Finally, there's still room for the glare detection feature to be optimized. So in the meantime, we've got some reflections from this process. The first learning is about the risk assessment on device capabilities. We failed to assess the risk of AGC where the image dims in the presence of excessive light at first. Also, we could do better in time management if we're starting again, so that we can allocate more time on final stage for some optimization. Moreover, collecting sufficient feedback will improve the user experience for our app. Finally, our presentation skills also need to be improved. We should explain the use case while demonstrating each feature explicitly. That's all about our presentation. Thanks for listening.